Nice one! Liafer, tanungin natin ang Clash panel kung ano masasabi nila.
Nako, Liafer, parati mo talaga akong pinapahanga tuwing ikaw ay nagpe-perform. Isa to sa magandang rendition ng kanta ni Kuya Rico J. Yung, di ba, Mare, may bukas pa. Tuwing pinapanood kita, natutuwa ako kasi naalala ko nung bata ako. Kasi nung bata ako, hindi ako ganyan. Wala akong ganda, hindi ako marunong kumanta. Pero ang maganda niyan, tuwing kinakanta ko yan at naiisip ko yung kantang yan, may bukas pa. Gusto kong magtayo ng negosyo na masahihan, may bukas pa. 24 hours siyang bukas para lahat tayo ay maganda ang pakiramdam natin. May bukas pa. I love you, baby girl. Ang galing-galing mo.
Thank you po.
Hi, Liafer.
Hello po.
Alam mo, hindi ako ganyan nung 16 ako. Anyway, I think that was a powerful rendition of this classic OPM May Bukas Pa. At gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na meron ka talagang kinabukasan. No? I think so. Bata ka pa at alam kong bright ang iyong kinabukasan. Yun lang.
Thank you po.
Alam mo, Liafer, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon.
Thank you po.
Paganda ka ng paganda. And we are all so proud of you. Talagang pinoprove mo lagi na yung range mo ay napakalawak at talagang halos lahat kaya mo kantahin. Kailangan ko lang ulitin some things, okay? Because I want you to be better. Yung thank you na mas nakokontrol mo na yung mga movements ng konti. Meron ka pa rin action na too big pa rin sometimes. Na parang minsan, hindi lagi. Ang kailangan ko na lang sa'yo siguro is yung more internalization pa. Even though na-feel ko talaga na napapa-feel mo sa amin na may bukas, may hope, pero kaya pa. And also, personally, I would also like to hear a young song from you. Personally. Kasi although ang ganda ng mga covers mo, ang ganda na nire-revive mo yung ibang mga songs from the past para marinig ng bawat generation, pero also sing for your generation. That's also nice. And lastly, ingatan mo yung mga flat mo sa simula kasi meron. There's so much promise for you. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Silver gray hair, neatly combed in place. There were 4 generations of love on her face. She was so wise, no surprise past her eyes. She'd say that she said all the things you ask you will know someday. But you have got to live in a patient way. God, please, I see the faith. I'm afraid that means better days. She said, shall we our boots in the dark of night? In the morning, gonna come till the time is right. Can't get to better days, let's still make it through the night. You gotta make it through the night, and yes you do. You can't get to know better days unless you make it through the night.
Grabe naman pasabog yon. Binigyan mo naman kami ng isang napakagandang performance. Nagulat kami ng hat. Pakinggan natin ang ating Clash panel.
Ay, nako, Venus, panghalimaw talaga yung yung kantahan mo. Talagang, you never failed us. Talagang hinahampas mo talaga kami parati ng talento mo. And thank you for that performance. Napakahusay mo tonight.
Ini-imagine ko pag nandito si Aretha Franklin, no? Parang kung katabi niya si Aretha Franklin, parang ini-imagine ko si Aretha, parang hahampasin siya ni Aretha Franklin na gano'n. Parang, di ba? Parang gano'n yung na-imagine ko sa'yo, yung lalo na yung last mo na, gano'n, parang, Nakaka-impress kasi yung umpisa pa lang, it's really clear. Yung nota mo, very certain. Talagang yung mga soft na, umpisa. Pero malakas na rin yung dating. So, overall, ang galing. Ang galing mo. Thank you.
Ako hindi ko alam kung jet lag ako today, pero iba ako today. It was also a beautiful and powerful performance. Definitely. Pero meron din ako narinig na mga konting flats here and there or kapos here and there. So watch out for that. Kasi even if it's a blank sheet of paper na puting-puti na ang ganda, there's still some black spots there that can be noticed. Ingat lang doon. But definitely, you brought the house down with your confidence. So thank you. Thanks very much.